Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you two easy ways to temporarily fix a leaking water line in an emergency. These are great easy methods that anyone can do, so let's get started. If the leak is on a straight section of pipe, the best option is a repair clamp like this one. These are super easy to use. All you have to do is clamp it onto the pipe. There's no need to even shut off the water. These work on steel, plastic, and copper pipes, and they're also very easy to install because the only tool you need is just a regular wrench to get that nut snugged up. Be careful not to over tighten if you're installing on copper or plastic. All you have to do is tighten down the nut until there's no more leak. These pipe repair clamps are generally considered long-term temporary. You cannot install them behind a closed wall or underground, but they will last a few years if the pipe is in good condition. However, if the pipe is corroded, I recommend replacement as soon as possible. If your pipe is leaking from a fitting, you can't use a repair clamp, so one of the better options for a temporary repair is epoxy putty. The first step is to shut off the water and then clean up the connection using either a wire brush or a wire wheel like so. Next, cut off a piece of epoxy putty and mix it until it's one even, consistent color. I'm using steel reinforced epoxy putty that's meant for plumbing repairs. It sets up quite fast, so only mix a small amount at a time. To apply the epoxy putty, make sure the pipe is clean and dry and then force the putty deep into the leaking area. Here the leak is at the threaded connection, which is quite common as the pipe is thinner at the threads, so it's more susceptible to corrosion. It's important to really use a lot of force to push that putty deep into the damaged area. This will prevent leaks. Next, feather out the putty on the sides of the damaged area like so. It's important to have a nice smooth transition from the repair to the rest of the pipe. This will prevent the putty from peeling off. Once you're done applying the epoxy putty, it's essential that you let it cure according to the manufacturer's instructions before turning the water back on. Unlike the repair clamp, this is a very temporary repair, so you should aim to have the pipe replaced as soon as possible. One thing to bear in mind is that both of these repair methods are considered temporary and are best for emergency situations. They will not pass a code inspection, and I do not recommend relying on them long term. So yes, eventually you will need to have a permanent professional repair done. Regardless, I hope you all found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you did, and I'll see you all next time.